the medicines, we normally keep the medicines which our grandpa, mama, papa, they are using the medicine. If some medicine they are using, we usually keep it on the table and leave it easily reachable to the small children. If somebody, some guest or some children come to our home, some kids come to our home, they can easily, they don't know, actually they don't have the knowledge of the medicine and everything, so they can consume it by mistake. So you have to always see in that angle that the medicines are not reachable to the smaller ones, small kids and everybody. So the medicine has to be properly kept at its place, which is not accessible to easily to all. And the edges, the glass furniture and all that, they should not have the sharp edges. You can check your bed, and sometimes the wooden furniture have the sharp edges. So if it is there, you have to either modify it or take care. Always have to take care. Okay. Now our home is finished. Now we on safety on roads. While we walk on the road, can you tell me which side we should walk while walking on the road?
The zebra crossing.
This is the crossing. This is for at the time of crossing, but while walking,
Footpath.
okay, footpath is okay. But if there is no footpath and we have to walk alongside the road, at the edge of the road, then which direction should we follow? Left, right, or what?
Right.
Who says right?
Sir, left.
So who says left? Dash.
Mukund, Divya.
Which while going on the road, which side should we walk? Left, right? Left. See, here in Bahrain, we have left hand drive. We have right hand drive, left hand drive, right?
Left.
Bahrain, we have left hand drive. All the cars are left hand drive. Right or wrong? Right.
Yes, left hand side.
Right.
Divya, can you please explain me? We don't understand what you want to tell.
Divya, you want to say anything?
No.
Okay. So in Bahrain, we have left hand drive. In India, see now this Soham is from in India right now. We all are in Bahrain. Soham is attending the meeting from India.
And Divya and Radha.
Divya and Radha also. So there is right hand drive over there, right? Radha, right? Yeah. So see, the thumb rule is that when we walk on the road, we should always face the traffic. The vehicle should be coming towards us. We should face to face with the coming vehicle. The vehicle should not come from our back. Okay. So here in Bahrain, left hand side is okay. In India, it should be right hand side, but we are taught always to go on left hand side, which is not a good, which is wrong. We should always face the vehicle, coming vehicle. So it reduces the chances of accident. When the vehicle is coming from our back, most of the time we cannot have a clear cut idea which side it is coming, and it can be a cause of an accident. So always we should face the vehicle, coming vehicle on road. And zebra crossing is always okay. One of the common cause of accident. See, when we get up from any vehicle on the road and we have to go to the other side of the road, sometimes this condition arises. I will show you on the board. Video nahi hai isme. This is a road. Okay. This is our school bus. Everybody can see? Okay, the traffic is moving like this. The traffic direction is moving like this. and maybe your mama is, for some reason you have to go to this side. So you get down from your school bus and start running to this end. Most of the small kids, because your mama is here or somebody is here, you have to go to this. Here, as we are not able to see the incoming traffic, so we directly keep running. And there is one vehicle coming in the side. This can hit us. Most of the time, the accident happen over here. This is our school bus. We get down from this side and we start running this way. This bus we are not able to see this bus or this car or this vehicle, anything. So there are chances when you reach over here, this can directly come over here. So you stay over here unless and until your bus goes off, and then you can see the incoming traffic. Then you pass by. This is the most common reason for accident of the child. You can see lot of videos on the YouTube available about this. So always when you get down from your bus, let the bus go and then cross the. One more thing, that the driver sits at the height in the bus, your school bus. And if you go very close to the bus, the driver may not be able to see you. So it is always better to let the bus go and then cross the road. And don't rush anytime. Anytime don't rush. You are somewhat bigger, you are somewhat mature. The younger kids, they tend to run. So whenever you go with them for their school bus and all that, you have to take care of this. You always let the bus go and then you cross the road, because small children, they tend to run towards the either their mama, to the house or something, some playing area like that. Okay, so safety, almost everybody knows zebra crossing is a must. Then this is the school bus. While crossing, getting down from the school bus, this should be the condition you should follow. One more thing, in the malls, but the last topic remaining safety, about safety, is in the mall. Safety in the malls. There are so many malls in the Bahrain and other places also. Whenever someone goes to some bigger city and like Mumbai, Pune and all that, there are malls. See, in the malls, the small kids are in the new places, because in the new places we tend to get lost in all the new things over there, the playing areas and all that. So whenever you have to tell your younger sister, brother, and they should learn the mobile number of your parents or of you, whoever is having the mobile phone in your home. They should learn the number always, and you can have a practice. See, you can take your younger brother or sister with you whenever you go to the mall. When you take them, you can have a small mock drill. You can have a small mock drill that let them. You first teach them how, if they get lost, then how should they react. They should go to this uniform people, that is the security guard, which is having uniform, some this identity card and all that, and they should tell that I am lost and my mother's number or my father's number or my sister's number is this. They should tell the guard, and he will find them for you. You can you can do a mock drill for that. We had done it when our kids were small, and believe me, when we went to Delhi one time, my small son, he was very small. He was 3 years old. He lost over there because he was seeing some playing area. He was wondering, he has gone to some playing area over there, and we went to some other shop for shopping. Then, but we had a mock drill session in our native place in a mall. We previously to that, we taught him that you should go, if sometime if you get lost in some crowd or somewhere in the crowdy place, then where should you go, whom to contact? You should, he has learned the mobile number. So your small brother, sister, whosoever they are, they should have the number learned to them of your father, your mother, or yourself. So, and the small kids, when they go to the shops, see, the mobile shops or the these gift article shops, they have the glasswares everywhere, the glass tables, the glass cupboards, and everything. Small child, these kids, they tend to just tuck to the glass surface and everything. They can damage the surface. One of my friend has paid 5,000 rupees for breaking a glass which was accidentally broken by his son. So you have to take care of your youngers. Okay. So yeah, I will request all of you to do a mock drills whenever possible. When you go with your small ones in the mall, you can have a small mock drill. Just keep the watch on him and see how he reacts. Okay. Now, eh, now we will have the next session of drawing. I think everybody loves drawing. Before that, you want to have a water break? Because I want. Just go and come back within 2 minutes. Within 1 minute only. Not more than that. And then be ready with the drawing sheet, the pencil, eraser, and then if possible, sketch pen.
Wow, Mukund, very nice. Good drawing.
Mukund has already done the drawing.
Beautiful.
Very good.
Painting.
Painting.
Yes.
Yes, one more thing about the safety. Never ever open the door whenever you are alone at home. Everybody agree with me? Never ever open the door if nobody elder is at home. Never ever open the car door. One more thing, one more thing I must tell you. Everybody is having the car at their home. Nowadays the child lock is there, and we always keep the child lock off, so that the backside door should they cannot open the door by themselves. But the driver's drawer or the cleaner which is sitting next to the driver, they casually open the door without thinking of the road traffic. Most of the time you can see the videos on the Google. If we open the door, somebody coming from some vehicle coming from the other side, it hits the door and there is a cause of accident. This is a very common accident condition. So never open the door before ensuring the traffic, the movement of the outside person. You will end up damaging your car also, and someone's life will also be in a danger. So always be careful before opening the door. You can remind your other people also before opening it should be everybody's job that before opening a car's door, they should always be careful about the road traffic. Somebody start. Very good song, very nice. We will do the drawing with some letters, some digits like that. Okay. First you just see carefully. I will draw one picture, then we will together do it again. Okay. First just observe. What is this?
500.
500? Okay. Yes. We will try to make a drawing out of that.
We should draw.
Everybody can see, na? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Can see?
Yes, sir. Very nice.
Is it good?
Yes, sir. Very nice.
Good. So shall we draw it?
Start with 500 digit.
So if you want, we will again start from the beginning.
You should not do by your own mind, because it is so simple to draw. We can draw like without digit also, but with digit it is very simple. And so
So with digit it is very simple. Now start with the 500. This
okay, we will start again.
everybody ready? Now see.
500.
500. Take this. Done. Now, now we will now we will do the ears. Ears. See. See. Divya. Okay. One year. Second year. Eyebrows. The eyes. Eyelids. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The nose. The claws. The moustache. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See, her body, the cat's body, I am starting from the middle of this ear to this level, to the level of the head, to this level. And joining with the 500, 5. Seems good, na? Now the tail, tail. Done. And we have the claws. Now what remains are the straps, the bands on her body. 3. Well, I will put 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Once finished, everyone show.
If anybody,
Can't see. Just a minute.
good, very
Wow,
good.
Very nice. Show. Closer, closer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Darsh, very nice. Even Darsh draw very nicely.
His ears.
Ears are not. Ears
Ah.
are.
Mukund, very good.
Shreyas. Shreyas.
Thanks, teacher.
Closer.
Dash, why don't you bring the white paper?
Good, Darsh. Good. Shreyas, little. Yeah. Nice. Body is little bigger.
But it is a cartoon, so any shape. Oh, who is this? Arna and Durga, very good.
Whoa, mast.
Very nice.
Durga, very good, huh?
Your cat is sleeping very peacefully.
Oh,
Yeah.
Josna, so cute.
Very nice. Everybody has done very good job.
Okay, next one.
Now, next time you can draw it by your own within 2 minutes. Right? Shall we move to the second one?
Digit, second digit.
Jaslyn, you didn't show you didn't finish, or you finished?
Sir, I didn't finish, but I remember.
Okay. But you understood
Yeah.
how to draw it.
Yes.
Now, see carefully.
Two.
I finished my drawing book, sir.
Arna, you want to say anything?
Is it a duck?
Yeah, it is a duck. Let us see how it looks.
I finished my drawing book.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Just first you see how to draw. Okay, we draw two,
Small two and
again two. This. Now see the big. The eyes. Eyebrows. This is water. The second one. Easy. Looks good. Out of 22 we have made it. Darsh, the one is the duck and second one is the snake.
Sir, can you show it one more time?
Yes, I will. We will start again. See, who asked me to show?
Jaslyn.
Jaslyn. Okay, Jaslyn, this is okay. Now see, I just round it up to this, then a name and left it over here. Left it over here. Okay? Because I will draw some water, a water line. Now, the neck, the beak, the beak. One, easy. The
Again.
eyes,
very good, Mukund. Very nice. But second one, very second one.
wow, who
Wow.
has done it? Josna, very good. But
But it
the
looks
second one this seems to be sitting on the back of the first one. It is not the case actually. The next one is far away from this in the water, so it looks small. You understood? Now we are starting the wings. The tail.
Show.
Good.
Little closer.
Everybody's first duck is okay. The second one is somewhat not that good.
Show. So
Soham.
closer, little closer. No, can't see.
Yeah, the first one is very good. The second seems to be sitting on the back of the first one. First one is very good. Yeah, Josna, now it is a bit okay. It seems that it is away in the water.
Uncle is his. It's Shreyas.
Shreyas. Wow. Very good, Shreyas.
Thank you.
Josna, yeah, it is
Jennifer.
not Jennifer. It is not visible properly. The light is.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. It's very good.
Durga and Arna. Yeah.
Yeah. Durga, very good. Arna and Durga, very nice. Good. So I'm good.
Now it's little okay.
Okay. Jaslyn.
Is it
Sir, I am still trying 1 minute.
Okay.
okay? No problem.
1 minute. Otherwise, we will teach you afterwards. Okay.
Sir, do we have to rejoin again?
Hmm?
Do we have to rejoin again?
Do we have to?
Rejoin.
No. You want to rejoin? Right now, the time is not over.
Yeah.
No, because remaining time is showing.
Showing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Exactly.
3 minutes are remaining.
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. 3 minutes are remaining. Yes. Before
Join,
one.
join again.